Top stories worldwide this week at FCA. New UAW agreement. .500X a top safety pick. New responsibilities. All right now on FCA Replay. After a first proposal was rejected, FCA US and the UAW this week reached a new tentative deal on a collective bargaining agreement. Negotiators announced that a new agreement had been reached shortly before an extension of the current contract was set to expire. The agreement, if ratified, will cover about 40,000 UAW-represented workers at FCA US. The influential Insurance Institute for Highway Safety this week designated the all-new Fiat 500X crossover as a top safety pick plus, its highest possible rating. The rating means that the 500X earned the top score in a series of crash tests run by the Institute. The plus designation comes from the availability of the Forward Collision Warning Plus technology. This technology combines sensors and a camera. If the system determines a front collision is imminent, it warns the driver and, if need be, can activate the brakes to slow the vehicle. Some FCA executives took on new duties this week. Dodge and SRT brand chief Tim Kuniskis added the Chrysler and Fiat brands to his responsibilities. Jeep brand chief Mike Manley added the Ram brand to his portfolio. And Reed Bigland adds NAFTA fleet to his Alfa Romeo and NAFTA sales duties. And that's a quick look at some of this week's top stories on FCA Replay. I'm Dale Jewett for FCA Digital Media.